detector from the Milwaukee. A really good deal on that one. Buy one, get one free. This is a killer. These are really nice boxes. We got the top 25 deals you should be buying at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, so the yellow tags are clearance items, and then we're going to move on to the sales, mix and match, whatever I find, that's what I post here. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So to start here with the Ryobi, there are a few clearance, but check this mower out, $295. Make sure you guys check out your Home Depot. They're going to be clearancing these out, so that's what, $200 off on that one, and you do get 4 batteries with that one. So 4 batteries and a dual port charger, I believe. And then we got some more Milwaukee clearance deals here. We'll go over them in just a second. There's a few more Ryobi stuff here. $149 from $199 for the starter kit with the high performance batteries. You got a drill driver kit, brushless, for $99. And then you got electrostatic sprayer, $49.97. And you got some sort of 170 down from $219. This is like a precision tool. You got the Power Stack 5 amp hour battery for $75 up from $199. That's the starter kit. That's a really good deal on that one, guys. I should have just picked that up. I forgot. I should have just picked it up. Anyways, $4.99 for that one. This one's a 7-tool combo kit. You do get brushless tools. Those are XR tools, top of the line. $99 up from $189. Lots of good clearance on these. $90 down from $119 for these drawers. These are the Ryobi Link drawers. Talking about some great deals. This is the buy one get one free for the DeWalt's. So all these tools do qualify for a free item. The oscillating tool, the quarter sheet sander, the drill, the drywall cutout tool, the screw gun, 3-inch cutoff tool, the ratchet, impact wrench. Those qualify for a free 5 amp hour battery with the charger, valued at $179. $129 for 2 4 amp hour batteries. $129 for the hammer drill kit. Those are really nice deals. Definitely check those out. Alright, talking about some Milwaukee's. Buy one of these, get a free battery. The top one gets you an 8 amp hour battery. The bottom one gets you a 5. There's some really good ones, really good tools you guys could hack, including that 12 amp hour battery. You guys could hack that for around $110. So definitely check it out, guys. There's a lot of good stuff in here. And then buy one get one free as well for the M12, $269 for the pruning saw. And then you got the rotary hammer kit for $259. A hydraulic driver kit, $179. And those are all the free tools you guys could choose from. The ratchet, the cutout tool, the oscillating. Alright, so talking about some DeWalt's, another deal here. You got all the nailers there. They do have them on sale, including this blower kit for $199. That's a really good deal. You get a battery charger with that one. With all the nailers, you do get batteries and chargers as well. You get the finished nailer, the brad nailers, and those are the tools that are at the bottom. Alright, talking about some toolboxes here. We got $898 for the Milwaukee 52-inch tool drawer. These are really nice boxes. Not necessarily, I would say, snap-on quality, but they are pretty nice. Talking about quality, this one's a really good quality one. And you guys do see the top goes up and down. This is $12.98 down from $14.98. It's a 72-inch 18 drawer. You got some double bearings there. And again, the top does move up and down. Alright, talking about some pack outs. So $139 for the rolling, $159 for the 3 drawer, and then the XL is $99, and then the organizers for $39.97. You got the ice chest there, or the cooler, however you want to call it, $199 pack out. Alright, some DeWalt. This is the Tough System 2.0. You spend $4.99, get $150. Spend $3.99, get $100. Those are really good deals. If you guys could get the $150, that is the maximum you guys could get. Definitely check it out. You got the cordless work light, $199, compatible with the Tough System. Same thing with this charger, $199. On the previous video, I did show you guys what was the inside. You got $119 for the rolling box, $149 for the drawers. And then talking about a modular vacuum. So this one is compatible with the modular storage system from Rigid. So this was $99 down from $119. And here's the Rigid Pro system. $99.98 for the two drawers, and $119 for the three drawers, and then $99.98 for these bottom rolling boxes with the dolly already included in there, so you guys could separate it or keep it together. $329 for this workstation or workbench. This is goes up and down through that shaft there. You could basically put a drill on that thing and just move it up and down if you need to. But check out this toolbox. This is a really, really nice toolbox. You do have some sockets or some indents there for some drills or impact wrenches. And then check out the top. It does have some struts there. Husky labeled. Really nice matte black. Some nice drawers, self-closing drawers. Got some double drawers there, or double bearing drawers. $5.98 for that one. 31-inch, 6 drawer. All right, let's go to the other store. This is another store. This one's on clearance. This one's for the Ridgets, $75, up from $199. You got a chainsaw there for $85, down from $169. And then a blower for $154, down from $219. So there's just different tools you guys could choose from, different brands. And talking about some mechanic tools, check this one out. This one's $364, down from $519. This is a Husky 432 piece. You got a replacement blade for M18 fuel, $630, down from $24. This is for the mower, guys. If you guys got the mower, make sure you guys stock up on these. Have a few blades just to spare, because you guys gotta sharpen those. Talk about another deal. This is a $79.98 for this rigid vacuum. This one's kind of a little bit on the smaller side. Well, actually medium size, not smaller, but it does have a lot of accessories in there. But check this out. This is a used, the used section, tool rental. This was $295. You got $89 up from $99 for this impact driver, compact M18. And then $754 down from $14 for that 2-pack of tape measures. They're on clearance, and they were sold out of them. $49.97 for this, was down from $69 for that rolling cart. And then Shockwave 30 piece, $15, guys, down from $29. This is a killer deal on this one. If you guys are able to find this, I actually went to two places. I found it at the front, you know, by the Milwaukee section, and then they had another Milwaukee section by the tool section. So make sure you guys give it a quick eye, or look for it, and that's a really good deal on that one. So $10.97 for that, and then $3.30 for the the XL gloves. And then you got a rotary Dremel, $2,025. And then you got a dual range voltage detector from the Milwaukee. 2 AA batteries, that's $24.97 for that voltage detector. And then you got $24.97 for any of those. You got the 25-foot tape measure. It is magnetic. It is anti-coating, anti-tear coating, resistant, impact resistant, and finger stop. So pretty nice. It is labeled on both sides, so you guys do see. So a really nice premium blades. Got the 7-in-1 pliers. And then you got the hammer there. This is a 119 ounce. It does have the magnet on the top, so you guys could easy start, or easy, however you want to call it. Alright, you got the pack out. That's for the tumblers. $840 down from $997. This is on clearance. And then I did see some more, like I said, I did see some more at the tool section there. And then these are on clearance just beside that. Work skin and some other shirts. $12.04 down from $22. $15 down from $29 for that work skin. And then the mechanic tool set on this store, so different store on this one. This one's down to $416 down from $519 for the 432 piece. And then these are on clearance, guys. These are the DeWalt flex bolts tools. These are the top of the line flex bolts. This one's down to $243 down from $269. This one's down to $229 down from $259 for the reciprocating saw flex bolt. And those are, of course, this is a flex bolt circular saw as well. Those are the tags. They already sold out on a few of these. And then you got the angle grinder, which we did not see as well. So $179 for that one. You got the Power Stack Starter Kit for $99. Down for $169. And then I heard on Deal Team 6 or some other Facebook group, these were running for about $1. Let me know that in the comment section if you guys have any of these tools, or if you've seen any of these tools at your Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.